Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the France 98 England home shirt, and this was purchased from BestZV1.com. I'll leave all the details for the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link from my usual seller, hopefully directing it to England shirts. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does have our usual health warnings. And as you can see, I did get the name set of Alan Shearer on the back of this one. Reason for going for Shearer, obviously being a Blackburn fan. I know he'd moved over to Newcastle at this point in time, but he was still one of my favourite players back in the day. BestZV1 usually takes about 10 to 15 days for delivery, which is absolutely outstanding, so you cannot fault that in the slightest. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I said the seller is bestzv1.com. All details in the description of the video. So right now then, let's undo this bag and let's have a look at the England shirt from France 1998 with Alan Shearer Nameset. Okay, so we start with the front of the shirt, and it has got a proper collar. And everybody who watches this channel know that I like a proper collar. To be fair, that's probably one of the tidier collars that I've seen. Got an England button there, just the one single button with the St George's cross. Moving to the sleeves. I can get my hand in there, got no patches or anything. Likewise on this sleeve as well. Nothing, there are quite a few creases from what's been in the bag, but nothing to worry about. Umbro has been embroidered in. Likewise the England crest has been embroidered on. And then we have the word England underneath. That's a little bit wonky there. It looks like actually it's been pulled in as well, look, on both sides. And then we have the number 9, which has been heat pressed on. Obviously, this has got Alan Shearer Nameset on it. At the bottom, we have the Umbro official licensed product. And that feels like a rubbery texture actually. Vaportech Performance. If I put my hand under it, you can just about make out the shadow on my hand, but the material itself feels quite glossy, quite nice actually. And the joins on both sides look absolutely fine. So that's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side. Collar. Feels nice actually. It does follow around obviously from the front. We've got the Vaportech Performance at the top here. I think that's been embroidered onto the material. And then we have the Shearer Nameset. And that is vinyl, heat pressed on. And that feels lovely and smooth actually. Again, there is a crease down there from what's been in the bag on the S, but nothing really to worry about. And then the number 9 vinyled on with heat pressed. And that feels lovely. Although looks like it's going to be a slight wonk actually, and you can tell because of the lines. So yeah, the number 9 is slightly twisted to the side. Look, you can see here the bottom is on this line and the top is on that one, so it's actually a whole like line out, which is a shame, and more noticeable in the middle there. Which the letter in itself though looks okay. Only noticeable when you're close to it, just because of the lines on the shirt. If they weren't there, then it'd be hidden. But let's take a look at the inside of the shirt now as well. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and we can see where the England button is stitched on. That looks fine. Stitching all looks okay down there as well. The Umbro. There's some of that card that's in there, and if you can't get rid of that, if it doesn't just fall out nice and easily, then my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. That then will just loosen it up, and then you'll be able to pull it off nice and easily. The stitching though, look, there's a lot of loose threads on that Umbro. England badge look okay, and the England down here as well. You got a lot of that card, so likewise again, lukewarm water, and that will then pull off. Number 9 has gone on nicely, and actually that one looks pretty much perfect. Look to the lines, and at the bottom we have the Vaportech Performance emblem there for Umbro, and that looks good. We have our washing instructions on the side here. The recommendation with these sort of shirts is to flip them inside out and put it on a hand wash setting, and then when you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put them in any tumble dryers or anything like that, otherwise your prints will peel off. I did a video way back when of a shirt that I put in the normal washing machine and the normal tumble dryer, and yeah, everything peeled off. But apart from that, all is looking good on the inside. Let's flip it around and look at the other part of the inside of the shirt too. A nice retro, do like it. We've got the other part of the inside of the shirt now, Umbro size XL. We've got another tag under there with some washing instructions. We've got the Umbro XL. Being a retro shirt, these are pretty much true to size. If you're an XL, then I would always buy this in an XL size. You don't need to size up, unless you're like me and you like wearing something underneath it. Shearer Nameset. It's gone on lovely. Nice and smooth. But then we do have a disappointing number 9, which is on the wonk. Again, you can see how it moves over. There's a crease there from the bag, but nothing to worry about. Which if I push it, badges here, look, there you go, that gives you an indication now of the material being see-through. So if you've got anything on your back, like a tattoo or anything, then there's a good chance that's going to show through. So I probably would wear something underneath this if I was going to be wearing it out and about to the pub or playing football in it. Apart from that though, it's a great looking shirt. So that's the inside of this England-France 1998 Alan Shearer Nameset shirt. And there it is. There is our England-France 1998 home shirt. It's a retro, I love it, and it does look nice. It's just a shame that number 9 on the back is on the wonk. If that was on fine, then this would be absolutely perfect. So a slight defect, but all in all though, where are you going to buy a shirt or find an England shirt this era in this condition? You're just not going to get them. So for me, it's still absolutely amazing. Shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also link a dhgate link to my usual seller. They'll have England items, so you'll be able to go and find this one on there, and obviously you can make the comparisons yourself. So if you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales for BestZV1 usually between 10 and 15 days, which is absolutely amazing. But yep, there we have it. England home shirt. I've done a few England ones recently. Just been buying a few more of those. It's always nice to look at your national team's shirts. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. BestZV1.com. All details in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.